Hi guys, here we have a flash power mop or a Swiffer WetJet mop, and the thing is it has a refill and it actually sprays cleaning fluid. That's the refill on the back here. That's the unit there. It's removable, but it's run out, so I popped into the store and had a look. £4 UK pounds for it, average price. There's a few videos where people have removed this white cap and by heating it up and refilled their own fluid in it, cleaning fluid, but I can see that leaking after repeated removals and insertions. So what I'm going to do is I've got this 24mm socket nice and hot. I'm going to make a hole in the top here, just pierce a hole on the top or bottom of the container. And as you can see, I've made a hole in it. That's the pop out. Just get rid of this bit of plastic on the side here. I don't know where it must have been on the socket. So what I'm going to do is I've got an old water bottle. I'm just going to cut the top off it. I'm going to use a screw cap and the top. I just need to cut it down to size. And that looks pretty much like the size I want. So all I've got to do then, as you can see, unscrews, is just pop it on the sandpaper, just get it nice and flat, smoothing the edges down. And now that's nice and flat. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and glue this top to the refill. So I'm just going to smear this glue all the way around where I've cut. And now that that's done, all I've got to do now is attach it to the refill, and I'll just press that on there and leave it to dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna fill the what I'm gonna use as a refill. I can use fairy liquid, bleach, or flash, pretty much fairy liquid as well. So that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna dilute it. So I'll just squirt a few into this jug and just dilute it with water. As if it's too thick, it won't pump. And then all I've got to do, go back to the mop now, go back to the refill, and all I've got to do is open the lid on this container now. Like I said before, it's best this way. If you take the top off the container and remove it and keep putting it back on, it will leak eventually. So like I said, I've just filled it with fluid. I think the containers are 1.25 milliliters. Put the cap on. And just give it a try. Just press this button at the top here and it should squirt the fluid out, as you can see here. And that pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.